Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, very simple, deluxe, luxury potato salad with a beautiful, creamy and a little bit spicy avocado dressing or sauce. Let's get on with it. Okay, so our potatoes, what I've done is I've just got a couple of potatoes, large size, peeled them, given a little wash, boiled them in some salt water. I've cut them this size. You can cut them however you want. They're nice and soft. They've actually cooled down a little bit. What we're going to do next is make an incredible, spicy, creamy, delicious avocado dressing or sauce. Okay, so we've seen our potatoes. That was nice and simple. Now we're going to make the avocado dressing or sauce for it. Now, I've got avocado. I'm going to use half of that because it's bloody enormous. It is huge, that thing. So half of that avocado, cilantro or coriander, mayonnaise, cream cheese, hot sauce, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Very simply, we're going to get that in a blender and give it a little mix. Okay, so my blender's right there. Avocado's in goes the cream cheese. Now you can play around with these amounts as much as you want. Salt and pepper, olive oil, a little bit of lemon. We're putting the lemon in, one for flavour and two because it will help keep the avocado from turning black or brown. A little bit of hot sauce. This is a Jamaican Encona sauce, Scotch bonnet. It's quite hot. You can use something a little less vibrant if you wanted. Some mayo, and our cilantro. And again, if you wanted, put some parsley in, some fresh basil, mint, up to you. Right, that's going to go on the machine just for like 1 minute, maybe even less. I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so there we go, beautiful. That is tangy, spicy, creamy. That is a bowl of love. Let's get our potatoes sorted out. Okay, so we've got our potatoes, we've got our beautiful, wonderful, light, creamy, spicy, delicious avocado dressing. On it goes. I'm going to give that a mix. Back in a few seconds. This is done and it's delicious. Could not be easier, could not be more delicious. Luxury potato salad with avocado dressing. A little bit of paprika on the top and we're done. Super delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a lot. Do check out our social media and stuff. There's loads of that all over the place. Facebook, Instagram and all that. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.